Think for a moment. Is your backyard currently a blank canvas, a space full of untapped potential? Or perhaps it's a half-finished project that's been crying out for some attention. Maybe it's time to breathe new life into that space, transforming it into a true extension of your home. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of backyard ideas to help you create your own outdoor oasis. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore together. And remember, if you find value in this video, show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that bell to stay notified about our latest content. Idea number 1, the perfect patio. A patio serves as the cornerstone of many a backyard. It provides a solid base for outdoor furniture and creates a defined space for socializing. While a simple concrete slab does the job, consider leveling up with natural stone pavers or stylish ceramic tiles. Add some outdoor rugs, pillows, and string lights to create a cozy ambiance. Idea number 2, the green thumb garden. Even if you've never gardened before, a vegetable or flower garden can be a rewarding addition to any backyard. Start small with a few planters or go big with raised garden beds. Incorporate a compost bin and rain barrel for a truly sustainable garden. Idea number 3, the backyard bistro. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the tantalizing aroma of a wood-fired pizza. With the right setup, this dream can become a reality. Outdoor kitchens have become increasingly popular and can range from a basic grill station to a full-blown gourmet kitchen. Idea number 4, the tranquil retreat. Create a peaceful sanctuary with a water feature. The soothing sound of a babbling brook or a serene pond can turn your backyard into a tranquil retreat. Add a hammock or a couple of loungers for the ultimate relaxation zone. Idea number 5, the playful paradise. If you have children, or simply a playful spirit, consider adding a play area. Swings, climbing frames, sandboxes, or even a treehouse can provide hours of fun. For the adults, a bocce ball or horseshoe pit can add a competitive edge to backyard gatherings. Idea number 6, the outdoor theater. Picture a warm summer night, popcorn in hand, watching your favorite movie under the stars. With a projector and a screen, or even a white sheet, you can create your own outdoor cinema. So there you have it, 6 backyard ideas to help you transform your outdoor space into your own personal paradise. Each idea offers a unique way to enhance your backyard, creating a space that's not just functional, but also a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these ideas inspiring. Subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with more content like this. We can't wait to see what you create in your backyard. Happy planning!